Good evening, friends. I am Rahul Kumar Singh, the Chief Coordinator, Let's Inspire Bihar campaign. Through the Let's Inspire Bihar campaign, IPS Vikas Behoji reflectively working to develop education, equality, and entrepreneurship in Bihar. IPS Vikas Behoji's message emphasizes being proud of Bihari, respecting one another, and lighting inner passion for positive change. The campaign aims to empower youth, boost their morale, and encourage them to work towards a brighter future for Bihar. The initiative highlights the importance of hard work, self motivation, and genuine dedication. It inspires youth to look beyond shortcuts and focus on meaningful contribution to society. By promoting values like knowledge, simplicity, and selflessness, IPS Vikas Behoji is creating a positive impact on Bihar's youth. The campaign's message resonates with the young generation, encouraging them to strive for excellence and make a difference in their community. Through Let's Inspire Bihar, IPS Vikas Behoji is fostering a sense of dedication and responsibility among the youth, motivating them to work together towards building a better Bihar. Today, through this campaign, I will discuss the rural landscape of Bihar and strive to convey this message to the people of Bihar. My topic is rising addiction in rural Bihar, a cause for concern. IPS Vikas Behoji emphasizes that tobacco, gutka, and other substances abuse, as well as social media addiction, are increasing among youth and adults in rural areas. This is a serious concern that requires attention. Focusing on skill development and entrepreneurship opportunities can support the workforce in rural areas and economically empower youth, thereby reducing the tendency to stray. Need of regulation and awareness. To reduce tobacco, gutka, and alcohol consumption, strict regulation and awareness campaigns are necessary. Comprehensive community intervention and promote healthy lifestyle and curb substances dependence. The Let's Inspire Bihar campaign can play a significant role in fulfilling for its social responsibilities. Basic facility in rural areas. Many rural areas in Bihar lack basic facilities such as clean drinking water, sanitation, and healthcare. India is a country of contradiction where rapid economic growth coexists with persistent poverty and social problems. Rural areas where approximately two-thirds of the country's population resides are undergoing significant changes in terms of living standards, education, health, and environment. Challenges in rural areas. Rural areas faces challenges such as income inequality between rural and urban areas and within rural areas. Dependence on agriculture makes rural communities vulnerable to unpredictable weather pattern, market fluctuations, and crop failures. Inadequate irrigation facilities and outdated agricultural practices hinder productivity and income generation. Limited job opportunities lead to seasonal unemployment and underemployment in the agricultural sector. Climate change affects natural resources and livelihood of the rural communities. Inadequate waste management system and facilities lead to environmental pollution and health hazards. And what is the solution? The solution is to address these challenges, the following solutions can be implemented. First, skill development programs to enhance employability and entrepreneurship. Second, micro enterprises to promote rural development. Third, rural infrastructures development to create more job opportunities. Policies targeting specific rural challenges such as addiction, digital dependence, and waste management. By implementing these solutions, rural Bihar can experiences positive change and development. The campaign's success can be seen in the way Bihar's youth are coming forward to make a positive impact in their state. With IPS Vikas Beho guidance and inspiration, the youth are learning to prioritize hard work, integrity, and commitment to creating a brighter future for Bihar. Let's join hands to inspire Bihar and make it a hub of excellence and innovation. Jai Hind, Jai Bihar, Jai Motherland. Let's Inspire Bihar campaign together with IPS Vikas Behoji. Namaste.